morning. As soon as I wake up, this is what I take. So I do about 40 grams of rolled oats. Yep, 40 grams. As you can see, the best protein out there. I love this stuff. I used to even take this when I was at uni. I was training back in the day. So 1 scoop of that, as you can see. That, and then we've got this super veg or super greens. 2 teaspoons of that. 2 teaspoons, that's 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. Now there's a bit of a taste with this one. As you can see here, it's got this kind of apple aftertaste, but I prefer the plain one, which is this one. I literally just finished this one, so I'd highly recommend this one. Usually Holland & Barrett's do like these good deals where you get it for half price. Holland & Barrett's every time I'm walking past there. But this stuff is cool. I mean, I've not noticed a huge difference, but I mean, if it's extra veg, I mean, you can't go wrong, right? So yeah, I mean, the only side effects, you know, the only difference that I've noticed is that I'm not really bloated, and like your poop's green. That's about it. That's the only difference. So as I mentioned, I do 1 for the morning, and I have another one that I'm gonna do now, which is for the day after. So I've always got 1 in advance. So as soon as I wake up, I just back it down straight away. I usually take the first one at 6, and this usually keeps me going till about, I'd like to say about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And yeah, cool. My previous video, I did do a video on these. If I get peckish, I just like cut them up and put them in a bowl. And these are 62 calories per rice cake, so that's not bad compared to like a chocolate bar or any of those kind of things, which I'm trying to stay away from. So I have it with unsweetened milk. Now this is usually £1.85. So when you go to Tesco's or any supermarkets, just watch out, because usually they're 99p. And this will last me probably for about 5 days, because sometimes I mix the ratio is probably half water and half this. So, or some days where I'm a bit full in the morning, I'll just have it full of water. But yeah, this is decent. Do not get the sweet one because it's horrible. It tastes sickly.